Hello everybody, I'm Lacquer Lover and today I'm back with a new nail tutorial on this 101 energetic design. So without further ado, let's get started by applying base coat. I am using the Peel Off base coat. As always, all the product information will be listed in the description box. Once base coat is dry, apply white polish to your index and thumbnails, then a dark teal to your middle fingernail, a light blue to your ring fingernail, and a pink shade to your pinky nail. For the index fingernail, start by drawing a horizontal line and two slanted lines going down, and then draw a rectangle in the upper left corner and fill in the rest of the space, leaving that rectangle blank. This nail will be the overall design, specifically the scene where Jinyoung is standing in front of the floral background, and then I'm just drawing on the straps, so I just did both sides like that. And I'm sorry you can't really see how I drew one of the sides. And then I added the pocket in white polish, then just adding like the stitching with some white polish as well. Then fill in that white rectangle with green polish, and then from there use a chrome polish and draw up like the metal buckle parts. And then for the middle fingernail, start by using white polish to draw in some flowers, and this is so that we can color these flowers in with a brighter shade and they will pop against this dark teal background. Once the base design in white is dry, start coloring it in with colored polishes, first with yellow and then with green for the leaves. And I use various shades of green, starting with a medium green shade, then a lighter green for highlights, and then a darker green for the tips. For the other flowers that I drew, I added a yellow center as well as the bright pink petals around it. And then for the ring fingernail, start by drawing a circle in white polish in the middle of your fingernail, and then just perfect that circle, and then on the bottom of the circle draw a curved line with black polish, and you want to do that twice. It becomes kind of like a cylinder shape, and then a smaller cylinder below that, and then fill in that shape with black polish as well. And then I am drawing the stitching of the baseball with red polish, and that's just a bunch of V's, but in the middle they do not meet. Then use a light gray polish to draw a line between the two black parts, and then for the pinky fingernail, draw a blue rectangle shape in the middle of your nail, leaving the pink as a border. On the blue rectangle, write 1 × 1 = 1 for their album cover design. Afterwards, use a sky blue polish to draw a border around your nail. And once this thicker border is done, then use a smaller brush to draw a thinner border that's inside. Using a darker blue polish, write the number 1 in the middle of your nail. Then there are extra lines inside this logo that zigzag inside, and then add the dots for each of the vertices, and then just apply a generous amount of top coat to all of your fingernails. And then you're done with this one-on-one energetic music video inspired nail art design. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, then make sure to subscribe to this channel, Lacquer Lover, and I'll see you all next time in my next nail art tutorial. Bye everyone!